Hey guys. So I was gonna jump on like a couple minutes ago and then I realized I didn't do my eyebrows. And it's because I do my makeup so infrequently now, I feel like I forgot how to do it. So that's why I'm late. Finally, I guess this came after Canada Post, I think, lost it. It was supposed to ship out, or did ship out last Friday. And yeah, took a really long time to get here. So I think I'll get started. Hopefully, I don't have any interruptions from a certain dog. He had a very stressful day in the car. But this is the fall 2020 Jilly Box. This is the third one I've received. I was lucky enough to get a subscription kind of when they released additional ones. I think it was after the first box. So my husband, bless him, stayed up really late and purchased, I think, one of those, it was that silver Chelsea King, I think it's Chelsea King, scrunchie. And he seems to think that that's why I got the subscription to this box. So I love that they're local. I love the products that have come so far. Some of the stuff I've like never heard of. So let us get started. So I did already open it since the last time I did this. I almost cut myself with a knife. So we've already opened the beginning part of the box. And like always, you get a little magazine, I guess you could call it, of all of the products, kind of what they're worth. So the box itself is $170, plus I think $8 for shipping, which is probably on the more expensive side of the subscription boxes. But again, most of the brands that have been in the boxes are local, which I love, and a lot of them have products that you can't buy anywhere else, only in the box. So it's like the gift that keeps giving. You also get I maybe shouldn't put the code up for you to use. Not that I think any of you are going to, but a gift card to the Jilly digital store. So I've gotten a couple of those over the past few boxes and been using them to get some prints for the house. And then I've recently sent out an order to get printed from Costco. So we will see how that turns out. Costco is super cheap, so I'm excited to see if the quality's there for printing. All right, so let's dive in. So also with the boxes, they are, I've used them for storage for clothes, which is fantastic, like putting winter clothes away during the summer so my closet isn't cluttered and vice versa, but they are completely reversible. So you can just use an orange box if you want. I kind of like the pattern, but I guess they're also 100% recyclable, which is awesome. So I guess more on the sustainable side as well. So what do we have here? So the first thing, and I'll tell you the prices too, because I know we all care about personal finance, is these earrings. Oh, these are pretty. Hopefully I can wear them. From So Pretty. So I tend to have a sensitivity around things that aren't gold or silver. So Pretty quartz and gold, okay. So they're mini hexagon quartz earrings, set in heavy plated 18 karat gold over solid sterling silver, so I should be able to wear them. They are priced at $110, so that's pretty good value. I like the shape. Here, I'll show them again. Yeah, they're little hexagons. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not the best unboxing person like some of those people are on YouTube, but that's okay. So that's $110. So that almost covers, I guess, the price of the box if you were to buy them individually. What else do we have in here? So we have, oh God, I don't know how to say this. Elu? A face polish from this brand. And I think it also comes with an application brush. Well, I don't know if you can see that. So what does it say here? So it is $45 for the little mask and $18 for the application brush, which seems high, but a ritual for radiance and to hydrate the skin. Yeah, so $45 and $18 for those two things. it looks like it's just a face mask. So that will be good since I guess I put on makeup today, so I can use that this evening. This was one thing that was, I guess, like totally a spoiler that I knew about before, is a shirt. So you have to give your size, which I do appreciate them asking for our sizes beforehand, so you can kind of look to see how it fits. So this is, it says "Be Good" on the front, and then like that on the back. So this will be good into fall. They're pretty oversized. I think I got an extra small, which is the size that Jillian Harris wears. I found like the things that I've ordered that are around the same size as her. It's been fairly consistent with her sizing. So ATNP is the brand. Super soft long sleeve cotton tee, classic heather gray with an original Jilly digital graphic. Wash inside out, hang to dry, and it's worth $60. So I don't know if I'd buy this on my own, just because I feel like I have a lot of kind of t-shirts, but hopefully it's a good local brand. I know also I was going to mention at the beginning, if you search Jilly Box or Jillian Harris on like Facebook Marketplace, there are people that are sometimes trying to get rid of either things they ordered that didn't fit or they don't like. So if you want to score any of these items, sometimes you can negotiate those people down. I've seen someone even sell a full Jilly Box. So if that's something that you're interested in, what else do we have here? It's crazy to think that it's like fall already. This is the fall box. And I don't know where 2020 went. I don't even want to talk about that. Okay. What is this? Barefoot Venus Mustard Bath. Okay. So it's like kind of looks like a little tea. It's a natural mustard bath. Run a hot bath, add the mustard bath, inhale and relax. I don't think I want to open the seal. Ooh, it smells like what does that smell like? Like mint maybe? Menthol? Not sure. And so this is priced at $21.50. So if anyone's doing the math, I'm not. I think we're over $170 at this point. I can't do math in my head. Oh, wintergreen, that's what the smell is. It's wintergreen. So, wintergreen, eucalyptus, and rosemary. That sounds like a really nice combo. And I think I saw Chelsea on there, but maybe something to add to the bath routine. Once I'm done all my salts, just put some essential oils, those 3 essential oils together, because they smell really good. All right, 2 more things here. We've got, I'm assuming this is the scarf. Jackson Rowe, the olive scarf. Okay, so this is priced at $45. And you also get some discount codes as well. Ooh, this is soft and quite nice. Okay, so it's like this light pink color, which pretty neutral. We're coming into fall. Soft cashmere feel, loosely woven in a delicate pattern with feathered edges. Can be used for a scarf in winter or a shawl in warmer weather. Hand wash and lay flat to dry. So it's a very delicate scarf actually. You can probably kind of see through it in some areas. So that's nice. Be a nice fall scarf, maybe not warm enough for winter, but I like it. I think this might be one of my favorite items in the box. Although my husband would probably argue that I have enough scarves. So hopefully he's not watching this. I think I just heard him from home. So. And the last thing, which I'm actually really excited about, and I feel like Chelsea will be excited about this too, but it's a diffuser, as if I need another one of those, but I mean, I feel like you can't have enough. So it's a Jillian Harris Sage diffuser. What is it priced at? $78. So, okay. Let us see what it looks like. It's a limited edition, so I'm sure they won't be selling too many of them. You get a little essential oil with it, so it might be something to find on the marketplace if you're into that. Also, if you're ever into essential oils, Chelsea, she's on here. She knows everything about them, so you should find her. It's Healthy Chelsea. So this is called Unwind. It's telling me I have 10% left, so I better hurry up. unwind. I feel like also like the new iPhone is coming out, so my battery's been just like complete shit lately, and I feel like that's on purpose. So anyways, this is the little diffuser oil you can put on. I love essential oils, especially in the summer months, because I find, like, I do love candles, but I feel like candles are a winter thing. So this is like a light pink beige diffuser. Is that maybe the color? I don't know. So it's pretty neutral. It can kind of be like a decor piece as well. It's wrapped in plastic, so I'm not going to open that and make a bit of a fool of myself on Instagram. Sorry, I know better than that. BPA plastic free, automatic shut off, duration 2 to 4 hours continuous. Okay, so it's a small one. They say it's the Aroma Homme Petite, and yeah, $78. But they also give some promo codes. I don't know if I'm allowed to share those. I feel like I could if you message me and you're interested, but 15% off blends and diffuser blend kits at Sage. So maybe that's what everyone's getting for Christmas. I think I saw my mom on here, so everyone will be getting oils or something from this. And now there was 3 add-ons also from, I didn't sign up for any of them. So there was a charcuterie board, which was $90. We have like a zillion of those, so absolutely not. There was a Chelsea King scrunchie, which is cute, in polka dot, but I am obsessed with the sparkly one that Andrew got me at Christmas time, and that's my go-to. So that is what I went with. Oh, and maybe there's only 2 add-ons. In the last box, I think there was 3, and maybe I'm confusing them because they kind of sent out close together with the COVID shipping. So yeah, in this little book, it's super cute. She gives you some ways to kind of style your scarf, I guess, how she would. How to wind down, which I feel like we all need some more meditation in our life. And it just highlights some of the local vendors as well. They give you a little recipe, and no golden ticket for me this time. There's a golden ticket in every round of boxes, and it's an item priced at $500 this month, I guess, or this quarter. It was Estelle colored glass. So there was a hand-blown colored glass cake stand, I think, or something like that. But I did not win that. So I guess if you're interested, you can message me. I don't know if I'll have all the details, but I know Jillian Harris does have the Jilly warehouse and her shop for any extra inventory that there was. Also, like I said, if you are interested in any of these things, I would say check Facebook Marketplace, because I always see people trying to either like switch sizes for things or sell or get rid of some of the things that maybe they don't need. That's the thing with some of these surprise boxes, which is kind of also why I'm glad it only comes once a quarter, is it's not always stuff that you would maybe buy or even try, but I kind of like to give them all a try. And so yeah, I would say overall I'm most excited about the scarf, probably the earrings and the diffuser, but I will also use the bath salts. Probably the face mask is probably the least exciting item to me. I think that's it. So yeah, that's all from me. This is not finance related at all, but something that is finance related is they did announce the new CERB updates today, so I will be putting together some videos on that. So if that's something that you're interested in, you can always DM me on anything finance related, but I do like to come on here sometimes and not talk personal finance, even though I do love talking about it. So have a great night, everyone, and thanks for joining. And I will see you, I guess, for the winter box, which will hopefully be here maybe before Christmas.